So I'm working on this lesson on global CSS for Next.js on Boolean art. And one thing that I want to point out is that global CSS is not something that you should aspire to use, but with the app router, you can even use it as a part of individual components. So what are the impacts of that? And does the global CSS on one page impact another? That's just a quick test that I'm running, so I thought I'd share that. I have two pages running over here. The root page has this div red and blue, which is styled with global CSS, and this CSS is actually imported from within that component, so it's not actually global, it's just specific to the page. And then I have this hello page, which has a link back to the home page, and this has the class red attached to it, and as you can see, currently it is not red. But if I do actually go to the home page, the CSS for the home page is going to get loaded, which will bring in the styling for the red CSS class name. And now if you go back to the hello page, the red is going to kick in because the CSS has been loaded for the other page, but it is impacting this page. So what this means is that even though now Next.js does support bringing in global CSS into individual pages or components, it's not something that you should use for day to day because it is still going to be global CSS. And even though it might not look like it's going to impact other pages on initial render, as the user navigates to the pages, it might come into play. So yeah, now you know.